Just a little quick video about the controller on the RC Logger i1 Xtreme. It's not the best controllers, it's definitely on the cheap side, but it's functional, definitely functional. Biggest problem I had was getting used to the short sticks, really short travel sticks. Not just the length of the stick, the travel as well is really short. It's a non-altitude hold, but it's got this sort of semi-altitude hold business going on. I'm not sure what that is. I've not tried it yet. I just use it purely at non-altitude hold. So with the throttle down, I always put the batteries in, and it'll bleep when you put the batteries in. 2 AAAs. I power up the quad, plug that in, and then I turn it on by pressing the on-off, and it'll do 2 beeps. That means the power's on the controller and it's transmitting. It auto binds straight away, so make sure your throttle's right down, because if it's halfway up, it will bind straight away as soon as you power it on. To calibrate the gyros, left stick down, right stick top right, it's in that corner up there. You'll hear a little beep when you get it. That's calibrated then. Now to change the speed modes, it's in the novice mode to start with by default, and then you double click the mode one, and the little, when it's a green LED, that means it's in novice mode. When it's orange, it's like a reddish orange colour, that's in sport mode. So you double click that one to get into sport mode. But whatever, I've never tried double clicking it again, that goes red. If you double click that again, you go into like insane mode, I call it. It's supposed to be like some kind of full acro, but it does power loops and all sorts, but I've not bothered with that yet. So to turn the motors on, that stick in the middle, and that stick bottom left, so your throttle stick bottom left, that arms the motors, and then you're ready to fly then. So I just pitch forward a little bit and just bang the throttle, and it just goes, takes off. Now if you put that stick down, and that stick bottom right, that turns the LEDs on and off, I think. So you've got like a bright white one on the front, and you've got red and green on the side, like navigation lights. So it's really good to orientate it, because the red legs on the front, the red props, and you've got a bright white LED on the front. So it's really easy to orientate in the sky. The shoulder buttons, now one does flips, but I think it has to be in that insane mode. I'm not sure, I've not tried it in sport mode. And then the other one is this altitude hold, but I'm not sure which way around it is. I'll have to just look in the manual. I'll put that on the screen. So when it's in that altitude hold mode, you can yaw left and right, you can pitch forwards and backwards and to the sides, but you can't throttle up and down. You've got to leave that basically where it is. So I assume you fly up to the altitude you want to fly at, press the altitude hold, and then leave your throttle wherever it is. So if it's here, you leave it there, and it'll stay in that until you touch the throttle, and then it'll come out of it, or until you press the altitude hold button again. But I've never tried it. I just fly it in pure non-altitude hold mode. Anyway, hope that's been useful to anybody, and thanks for subscribing. Take care guys, bye bye for now.